Hi, I am Manny from Manta Evolution in Queensland, Australia. Today we are reviewing the Manta flow. Most people think learning foil assist fails because of balance. It usually doesn't. Sessions fail because they end before the rider relaxes. That changes everything about equipment choice. This video explains why runtime matters more than power. Beginners don't need stronger thrust. They need calm attempts. Short sessions create pressure. Pressure creates mistakes. Mistakes destroy confidence. Confidence decides whether someone continues foiling. Battery capacity controls learning time, not speed, not performance. Time inside the learning window. More restarts, more patience, more successful takeoffs. That's how progress actually happens. Manta chose 864 watt-hours early, not for marketing, for session completeness. Smaller batteries rush riders, larger batteries add weight and complexity. This capacity sits in the stability zone, where learning becomes predictable. The system uses higher voltage, often called 12S. Higher voltage reduces current load. This reduction in current creates less heat. The heat reduction increases the consistent operation of the system. Consistency builds trust. Trust accelerates skill development. Recently, many systems moved towards similar capacity. That isn't coincidence. It's convergence. Engineers eventually discover what works for real riders. Runtime stability became the answer. Manta also focused on sealed motor design. Saltwater destroys exposed mechanical parts over time. Sealing protects bearings and internal components. Less maintenance, less uncertainty before sessions, more time actually riding. The battery remains sealed inside the system. No daily removal, no wet electrical connections, no sand contamination during handling. You charge the system as one unit. That removes a major beginner stress. Because the battery stays inside, the board stays structurally simple. No long access trenches, no large openings weakening the deck. The board remains stronger and quieter in the water. Again, fewer variables for beginners. These decisions were not recent. They came from years working with high-power electric foil systems. Real failures taught what matters long-term, not speed, reliability, consistency in saltwater use. Foil assist should remove barriers, not create new ones. Runtime supports learning rhythm. Stability builds confidence. Confidence keeps people foiling. That is the purpose of this system design. Foiling should feel achievable, not rushed, not technical, just progressively natural. The ability to remain in the foiling state without repeated resets is what builds throttle confidence. It builds lift control. It builds fluidity. Extended runtime is not convenience. It is structural. It determines repetition density, and repetition density determines skill acceleration. If you are serious about accelerating competence, runtime architecture is not optional. It is foundational. It's about enabling progression with confidence. That is why Manta Flow was built to combine convenience, runtime, and safety to ensure your foil progression. It's worth understanding how runtime actually works. If you'd like to explore the Manta Flow system further, follow the link below. You can also scan the QR code with your phone or go directly to the blue link.